how to pin notes to the top on iPhone Notes app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to pin your most important notes at the top in your Notes app? Then you're in the right place. I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. Let's dive right in. You need to open up your Notes app first and then just press and hold the note that you want to pin, and then you can see pin note option pop up. Just tap on it and there you go. Now however many notes you write, this note will always be pinned at the top. I'll show you an example. So here I'm creating a new note. Now, if you come back, you can see that the recent one is not on the top, but the pinned one is on top. So this will be very easy for you to navigate through your important notes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.